Hello instructors and students. This fast tutorial will show you how to access to the Sanabel online platform and how to use it. First of all, to the right top of the screen you will find login. You just click on it and it will ask you for your email and password. If you please to enter it the correct way, then click sign in. It will redirect you to the home page and you will see your name on the top right of the screen. You just click on it and then choose settings, so you can open the dashboard and you can control your privacy settings here, who can access to your information. Under my profile you can edit it and put your information here, and even you can upload your picture. Under courses you can see enrolled courses that you are enrolled with, and you can start your course from here. Whenever you click on your course, it will open this page and will show overview and the curriculum syllabus, announcements and news made by the teacher or instructor, questions and answers, and you can reply to the questions here and the teacher can review it. If you have any notes regarding any of the pages of the book or any of the subjects, you can enter your note here and the teacher can review it. To start course, you just click here, start course or continue course, in case you opened this course before and you are continuing it. You just click on it and it will show you a list of all the lessons and units, and it will redirect you directly to the same lesson you finished last time. So last time we were here on lesson 10 and we have this video. As you can see to the left of it, it doesn't show a tick, but let's see, like lesson 9, it shows tick, so we finished it. For the teacher it will show that we finished these lessons and it will show you the percentage here, how much did you finish from this subject. If you finished watching the video or finished the lesson, you can move to the next lesson from here, and you can see level 10 now, lesson 10, it has a tick next to it, to the video, because we finished it. So if you please to do that, so the teacher can track your progress. You can add some notes and comments to the pages, so the thing you can return to it whenever you have any inquiry or something, and the teacher can have access to it. If you finished studying, you can click back. Here it will show you achievements. It will show all the material that been completed by the students. My quizzes, the tests that the student completed and submitted with all the material registered with it. My assignments, it will show all the assignments submitted by the student and completed with all the material registered with it. Notes and reviews, all the notes that the student added throughout the course, whether from the notes or comments feature, it will be shown here. As we showed you how to access from the pre-KG level, we have different routes to use, like to enter the platform. I'll try like to go to the home page, and from it we can choose, for example, level 4. After you click on it, it will show you continue course as well, so the thing you can check more features in this new level. You can see on continue course, whenever you click on it, it will give you all the lessons and it will give you where you have stopped before, as before. Now you can choose one of the menus to the right or the left. It will make it like easier for you to browse this curriculum. So on the right you will see the lessons and you can browse or go through the lessons. Let's try this lesson 1. So let's go to a lesson that we have finished before. Let's say lesson 1, Al-Sadiq. Whenever you click on it, whenever it's open, it will show you different menus. Like to the right of it, you can see this menu. It will show you how to move between the lessons, and at the bottom of each lesson there is Sabiq and Tali, previous and next, so you can go through the pages of this lesson. You can hide the panel to see more, and I think it will make it easier for you to read through the page depending on your level. So after all, you can show the panel as well based on your needs, so you can move between the units, or you can use the right menu to move between lessons. And the bottom of each page, you can browse the pages to move forward or backward. And on the bottom of the page, it will show you the next lesson. So whenever you click on it, as we mentioned before, it will make it as you completed this lesson, so the teacher can watch your progress on that. Another feature available as well for the videos available on each unit, you can click on it and you can browse it within this platform, and whenever you play it, you can as well make it as a full screen, so you can expand it and minimize it, and you can control it. You can make the volume higher or less. Another thing, for the teacher, there will be a short video for instructors and teachers on how to create quizzes and assignments and monitor the students' progress. Thank you for choosing Noor Art, your partner in education. Wish you happy and beneficial learning.